We'll guide you through how to download Roblox on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Roblox is one of the best games out there. It's got so many different aspects to it and loads of different games. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and download Roblox, because in order to go and play the games, we need to go and have it downloaded and installed. We're guiding you through this step by step, so make sure it's full guide. Don't go and skip anything, and otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So let's go and dive straight into this. So what we need to do is go and open up a web browser first of all. So the default browser on a Mac is Safari. It's the compass icon in your dock. If you can't see it there, press search in the top right, the magnifying glass, and you can go and type in Safari, and you can go and click on it, and it's going to go and open and press enter. Or you can just go and press it in the dock. Now what we need to do is we can just come to Google, and then what you need to do here is we need to head to Roblox. So let's go and type it in. And you can come to roblox.com. As you can see, here it is. Now, if you haven't already got an account, you will need to go and sign up. I already have one, so I can press login. See my account here. I can go and log in as it's already remembered. Otherwise, enter in your username, email, and then your password. You can go and press login. Go away, and here we are. We're now on the Roblox site. So here it is. You can go and see different games in your account. But in order to go and download it, what we need to do is we need to go and find a game that you want to go and play. Just go and scroll down here, and we can actually come into continue. These are games I commonly play as I've gone and used this account on other devices. So when you go and find a game you want to go and play, go and click on it. Now what you can do is go and wait for it to load. And to go and trigger the download, we actually need to go and click on the play button. So you can go and click play over to the right here like so, and it'll say Roblox is loading, but go and be patient. Surely it's going to go and detect we haven't got Roblox, so we can go and press download. Then you're going to go and get a pop-up saying, do you want to allow downloads? Press allow to the right, and now it's going and downloaded. So what we can then do is you can click on your downloads in the bottom right here, or you can go and open up Finder over to the left of your dock, and over to the left you can go and press downloads. And then at the top, you've got Roblox DMG. Mine says -3 as I've had it before. So what we can then do is go and double click on it. And here it is. You've got the Roblox Player installer. And to go and install it, you then need to go and double click on it. And confirm open. Go and wait. Shortly, we're going to get another pop-up in a moment. As you can see, Roblox is now loading. So go and wait. And this is a progress bar, and you can see that it's now going to be opening up very shortly. Keep waiting. As you can see, it's now jumping, and here we are. And so then what you can do is you can go and press sign in. Here, you can go and enter in your username. Let's click here, remove it. So you can go and enter in your username, email, or phone here. So I'll go and type mine in here and enter in the password. As you can see, it's now opened up and we've now got it. And so what you can then do is you can go and start finding the game you want to go and play. You can go and click on it, and we can press play, and we can go and join it. I'm just going to go and press allow there. What you can also do in your dock is you can go and drag it across just so it goes and stays there as well. As you can see, that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides.